Parts of speech. All the English words are divided into 8 groups according to the work they do in a sentence. They are: number 1, noun; number 2, pronoun; number 3, adjective; number 4, verb; number 5, adverb; number 6, preposition; number 7, conjunction; number 8, interjection. So first comes noun. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, thing, feeling or idea. A noun is the name of anything. A noun is a naming word. So, a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. There are different kinds of nouns. First, let us discuss proper noun and common noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. Examples: Rita, Jack, Tom, Ashoka, Radha, Delhi, Mumbai, London, Yamuna, Sunday, Monday, January, February, Ramayana, Bible, etc. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, animal, place or thing of the same class or kind. Examples will be man, woman, boy, girl, cow, dog, cat, chair, table, pen, book, river, mountain, town, country, etc. So, if Leela or Rita or whatever is a proper noun, but girl is a common noun. Manoj is a proper noun, but boy is a common noun. Patna is a proper noun, but city is a common noun. Bihar is a proper noun, but state is a common noun. Moti is a proper noun, but dog is a common noun. India is a proper noun, but country is a common noun. Yamuna is a proper noun, but river is a common noun. Similarly, we can discuss more examples. For example, Tommy is a proper noun, but dog is a common noun. Mittu is a proper noun, but parrot is a common noun. Similarly, you can discuss Bhubneshwar is a proper noun, but city is a common noun.